to the foreign direct investment, to the economical growth, etc. So, from the other side, as Djibouti concerned, it's one of the hottest places in the world, as well as one of the top 5 in wind opportunities. So these are a number of different opportunities of green energy we are having. Not Djibouti itself is very small compared to Ethiopia. Ethiopia has the same. Kenya has the same potentialities. So these countries together, if they develop and at the same time interlink, then of course we create a sustainable 100% thermal energy to green energy by 75% of our consumption. And we also now have a clear vision of what we are going to do in the coming years. Very simply, in 2020, Djibouti must be the first 100% green energy economy. Potentialities are there.